Ever thought do-it-yourself could save you money? Think again. Complex projects often lead to costly mistakes. Without expertise, you might miss crucial regulations, turning a simple task into a financial nightmare. Consultants bring specialized knowledge and experience. They stay updated with the latest industry standards, ensuring your project is on the cutting edge. Plus, they offer access to a vast network of professionals and resources. Imagine having a team that knows exactly what to do, saving you time and stress. Consultants streamline processes, making sure everything runs smoothly and efficiently. High-stakes projects or those with regulatory requirements? That's when you need a consultant. Evaluate your internal capabilities against project demands to avoid costly errors or delays. Consider the potential impact of mistakes. A consultant can mitigate risks, ensuring your project stays on track and within legal boundaries. In regulated environments, compliance is crucial. Consultants ensure you meet industry regulations, navigating complex legal and technical landscapes with ease. By reducing the risk of penalties, consultants enhance operational efficiency. They help you focus on growth, not on avoiding fines. Real-world examples show businesses thriving with consultant support. They highlight cost savings and improved compliance, showcasing increased efficiency and innovation. Imagine transforming challenges into opportunities. Consultants turn potential pitfalls into pathways for success, driving your business forward. Assess your business needs and project scope. Consider the long-term benefits of professional guidance. By choosing wisely, you set your business up for success. By partnering with experts, you'll avoid costly mistakes and ensure compliance. Reach out to Arrakis Consulting for expert support and watch your business thrive. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com. Let's work together to achieve your goals.